Okay, this is Lindsay Gale, editor of Demolition Recycling International, here at the Bauma showground. I'm standing beside one of the highlights for the demolition industry, the Avant Tecno Robot 185, and I'm joined by Jukka Kytömäki from Avant, and I started by asking him for a bit of background into the reasons why Avant decided to enter what is a very niche sector within what is a niche industry.
Sure, it's a niche product, but Avant has been on the demolition business before for years with the compact loaders that we have. But Avant Tecno wanted to put even a stronger foothold into the demolition industry by adding this new demolition robot.
Yep.
And now we have even better position for offering our customers a bigger package in the demolition. So the loaders do the loading part of the demolition, and the robot will do the braking part.
Right, so what you're hoping is that a customer who buys a robot will also buy a compact loader to work with the robot?
Absolutely, and vice versa.
Right, okay.
Yes.
Jukka, Avant acquired the Finmac name and robot product some 18 months ago. Can you explain the reasonably long period of time it's taken you to actually officially launch the new machine?
Well, let's say the whole Avant Tecno strategy is to take a very close look at the research and development, and we really want to put or make sure that when the product has an Avant logo on it, it performs and it's reliable, because that's what Avant is famous for, and we want to make sure that the robot does the same. So there we are a few rounds of testing, field testing especially, listening to the customers, listening to the old dealers, the feedback, and we did the needed changes, tested it again to make sure we are right on the right track, and we feel now confident we are there.
Okay. Obviously, Finmac had an agreement with Stanley to supply the Finmac robot branded as Stanley in the States. What is the situation with regard to that agreement?
There has been some communication, but at this moment there is nothing I can comment on that.
Okay. What do you consider to be the main markets for the new product?
Obviously, Europe is a big demolition industry. North America, definitely.
Yeah.
We are looking at Latin America, which is definitely growing. Turkey, of course, everybody is talking about.
Yeah.
We have our eyes over there as well.
Yeah.
Australia, Russia. Lots of opportunities for us.
But initially, have you got any markets specifically in mind in the short term?
In the short term, of course, we have our own sales company here in Germany.
Yeah.
Avant Tecno GmbH, and also in the UK we have our own sales company. So definitely with those companies being in the big demolition industry or demolition markets, we want to be there.
Right. Jukka, could you explain what is special about the machine in Avant Tecno's eyes?
One of the main big selling points with this machine is it's very stable, because what we have put a lot of effort is to keep the center of gravity as low as possible.
Yeah.
So as you see the lower part, it has all the main hydraulic components, electric components. So the main mass is below the slewing ring, whereas not in a, let's say, normal excavator or traditional robot, it's on the top of the slewing ring.
Right.
That makes the usage a little bit more stable, and that way more productive in our mind. Also, it has a continuous 360 turning because of the different kind of design. The boom, as you see, is a bit different.
Yep.
It has a telescopic boom, gives you another 50 centimeters of reach.
What is the maximum operating weight of the machine, and what maximum tool weight can it carry?
Horizontal is 4.5 meters and vertical 5.5.
Okay. And the weight of the machine?
The weight of the operating weight of the machine is 2 tons.
2 tons.
Without the attachment.
Right. Obviously, having acquired the Finmac design, how much of that is left in this machine?
I would say mainly the boom is from Finmac design. We found out not just from our looks, but also listening to the customers, that the boom design is excellent.
Right.
and it's something different, and we believe this is really an excellent part. Then the lower part, the tracks, they have been completely redesigned.
Right. Obviously you will need to develop a range of products. Can you explain a little bit about that? About what your plans will be for the future?
We have a lot of ideas for this robot, and we have received already a lot of different kind of ideas and plans. In the near future we will go with this, and cannot comment on what we will do next, but of course we won't stop here.
Right, okay. In terms of controlling the machine, what options are available to control the robot?
Yes.
It's remote controlled. What is radio remote?
That's a radio remote or cable remote.
Right. Radio remote, what is the maximum range?
It's about 100 meters.
100 meters.
100 meters.
And cable remote would be the length of the cable.
Well, length of the cable.
Right. Okay.
Exactly.
Obviously, these machines operate in hazardous, very demanding environments where downtime will be a major issue with the machine. How are you planning to support your customers in that regard?
Well, we follow the same policy as with any Avant products. We want to stand behind our product. Avant has a very good network for the service, and we will have the same level of service as any Avant products.
Right. Do you consider that a vital part of the Avant package?
Absolutely,
right.
Absolutely. And Avant customers know that we stand behind our products.
Right. Okay, thank you very much, Jukka, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Right.